know why it took me so long. You left to Arizona, I stayed in California.
Hey, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mikey, and yes, it is time for another video for you guys. And I know it is summer, so more videos are coming out consistently. I know not in this channel lately because I've been working on Oh Freak and the podcast and all these other stuff we're incorporating. So if you do want to watch all those things happen, make sure you go subscribe to the team Oh Freak, and it will be on the bottom of the screen in the description below. Check them out. Check out the team, subscribe to them, and yeah, pretty much. Basically what I'm going to be discussing today is how to be a hypebeast but doing it in a subtle way. So people are probably like, huh, how do you do that? You're a hypebeast. You can't do it in a subtle way. Well, I beg to differ. There are ways of doing it subtly. I wouldn't say I'm really good at it or I'm a master at it, but I've been doing it for a long time, and it's just what it is, bro. But first, before we get into that, let's describe, what exactly is a hypebeast? A hypebeast is mostly a derogatory slang word for someone, usually a man who follows trends in fashion, particularly streetwear, for the purpose of making a social statement. So what that means in a nutshell is that people who want to be trendy, they're trying to make a social status out of it and say, yo, I'm wearing this, so I must be better than a lot of these peasants, these people wearing Gildan tees and people wearing, Goodwill shirts or whatnot. Bam. And that's not always the case, actually. There are multiple definitions, in my opinion, of the word hypebeast, but that's for another video because it's going to be way too long. So the first step is what I call the top, bottom, bottom, top method. So basically what that means is that if you're wearing something hype on the top, you want to wear something low-key on the bottom, and vice versa. So let's say I'm wearing this Supreme shirt. I'm not gonna wear something that's like off-white pants or whatnot. I'm not gonna wear like Balmain jeans. I'm not gonna wear like True Religion. I'm not gonna do that because it'll make the outfit too loud, too excessive, and it makes you look like a try-hard. So what I do is wear like a Supreme shirt and then maybe something basic on the bottom, like some regular like khaki shorts, or maybe I'll wear some like navy blue shorts, or I'll even wear maybe some jeans from like Target or H&M, so on and so forth. You don't want to have too much hype on the top and bottom because, like I said, it's not going to balance the outfit out, and it's going to make you look like you're trying way too hard. So if you have this shirt, and you're wearing obviously it's a Supreme tee, we see it, and you wear something like casual on the bottom, it's going to be like, oh, he must know his stuff, he's a hypebeast, that's cool. And they're going to realize your whole fit, and it's like, okay, it's not that loud, and it's done in a very subtle way, and everybody will okay it. But not saying that everybody's opinions matter, but it looks good when you do it like that. And another way of doing it, like I said, is the bottom top method. So let's say you're wearing something hype on the bottom, like some Supreme pants or some off-white jeans or True Religion jeans or Subi jeans, whatever the case may be. What you want to do is wear something basic on top. So wear like a H&M basic tee, or wear maybe even a graphic tee but like thrifted or something like that. Balance out the outfit, you know what I mean? Like you'll wear like $200 pair of jeans and you're wearing like a $8 shirt or something like that, because you're not only showcasing your shirt because it's like a vintage, let's say it's like a vintage shirt, it looks really cool, and you're wearing like off-white jeans. People are gonna know the off-white jeans with the thrifted shirt, and it's like, wow, that's done really well. And like I said, it just looks good. You don't want to have the outfit too much to where if you wear like off-white shirt with off-white pants, it's gonna be like, all right, what you trying to do, like flex on us or whatnot. So yeah, the key component is balancing out the outfit, so you definitely want to do that. Another strategy what I think about putting a piece together is the branding. When I'm wearing a Supreme shirt, I don't want to wear Supreme pants with like Supreme shoes or whatnot. And plus, it's not like I really go out that much to where I'm just gonna be showcasing all my like wardrobe, so it wouldn't matter if I did that. It just makes you look kind of goofy if you just wear Supreme all the way down or Off-White all the way down. So one thing for really wanting to put a piece together and then worried about the branding, just wear something like Supreme right here, and then like maybe H&M pants or some Nikes or some Air Force Ones or some whatever your shoes want to be. Don't have something really, really loud where like wear an off-white shirt with some Subi jeans and then like Air Mags or whatnot. Like I said, that's way too loud and it just looks like you're doing too much and you look crazy. Another thing is that when putting a piece together is patterns. So I know we live in a really, really weird era to where patterns are kind of acceptable now, but there are some limits to it. So say that you're wearing like a striped shirt or whatnot. You don't want to wear like checkered pants with it because that's two different patterns. It'll clash together and it'll make you look stupid. So what you want to do is, even if you're wearing patterns, make sure you either match with it or one of those have to go. What I mean by having to go is that striped shirt and then like wear some basic shorts with no patterns. Like black shorts, could be like white shorts, black pants, khaki pants, so on and so forth. You don't want to clash patterns together if they're different. So if they're the same, you can kind of get away with it. If it's like checkered shirt, checkered pants, and they're kind of the same color, you can get away with that. But if they're different patterns, yeah, you don't want to do that. It'll look crazy and it looks like you don't know what you're doing if you're doing that. Another thing is color. Color is super duper important. I'm not the best when it comes to color blocking, but when it comes to matching colors, I'm decent at it. So you don't want to be too crazy with colors. For me, it's kind of easy because all I really wear is kind of black and white and gray. So yeah, it's very boring. But sometimes I'll wear like a yellow shirt or even this neon green shirt, but doing it more subtle. So I'll wear like black pants with these and this so it shows off the shirt, but it's also basic on the bottom so it's not too loud. Or I'll do like a yellow shirt with white shorts and then yellow shoes. So colors match and it doesn't look too crazy. You don't want to wear like neon green all the way down looking like a highlighter. It'll make you look stupid. We don't live in 2014 where people did that and it was acceptable. If you're going to be wearing some loud colors, make sure that you have colors that are black, white, or gray, or neutral. Anything neutral. You don't want to have one single color as an outfit because like I said, it'll look kind of weird. Alright, so the next topic is designer brands. So if we're getting into high-end fashion, this is a step that's not really in my territory, but I'm looking forward into it more. What you want to do when you're doing high-end fashion, like so say you're wearing like a Balenciaga shirt. You can wear designer mix match and everything like that, but like I said, it really depends on either how you want to do it. But there are people that do that and make it look good, but you don't want to do that every time. If you have literally one thing high-end designer, you're probably not going to wear it that much because if you do, it'll get kind of watered down and then people are like, all right, this person's wearing this Balenciaga shirt like almost every day. Like, why? So the way I would do this and I would approach it is if I had like a Balenciaga shirt, I'd wear some like Uniqlo work pants or whatnot. Or I would wear the shirt and have some pants and then like maybe some Air Force Ones or whatnot. Because it makes the outfit stand out as far as the shirt goes, and then everything else is just kind of like plain, nothing crazy, and it balances out the outfit. It goes hand in hand with the top, bottom, bottom, top method as well. The number one thing that I really do hate that people do, the first thing that they buy when it's high end, people usually buy a belt. And if it's like a Gucci belt, Hermes belt, or a Ferragamo belt, people like to just tuck in one part of the shirt just to show off the belt. Guys, do not do that. That is not acceptable. Alright? I really, really dislike people that do that because it just looks stupid. It's like, okay, we get it. We see the belt. So what? Cool. It's like a $300, $400 belt. That's cool. That's like a paycheck. Who cares? I'm not necessarily saying that designer belts are bad, but there are other ways to making it look better. Not only just tucking one part of the shirt in, just tuck in all of it. Tuck in all of it and then like wear some like maybe some trousers or something like that with like a dress shirt and then you know the belt and then shows off the belt but it looks classy. Or what you can do, still have like the streetwear kind of look, like a regular shirt, tuck it in, and then some like pants, like some Vans or something like that. And then it balances out the outfit. It doesn't look too much. We do not want to see your fake Louis Vuitton Supreme shirt or hoodie, fake Louis V belt or fake Hermes belt or fake Gucci belt with like your True Religion jeans and a freaking soccer jersey with some Jordans. Bro, we are not in 2016. We are not trying to look like 2K18 players. That looks stupid. Cut that out. No one cares about that outfit anymore. That outfit's out the window. It's gone. You look stupid. And the last topic I'm going to be talking about today is, you know, how do you define loud? What is loud and when is it necessary? You don't want to wear all Supreme down as an outfit because it looks stupid and you're gonna look crazy. However, there are exceptions. Like say you're on Instagram and you're showcasing the outfit, that's acceptable. That's okay. There's people that showcase the outfit for Instagram and it looks good. There's people that do actually dress like that, but they don't make it look too crazy. So there are people that can pull that off, definitely. But like I said, you don't want to just see an ordinary guy just do that like at a McDonald's or whatnot, because like I said, you'll look crazy. You don't want to do that. You don't want to be like one of those people ending up on how much my outfit's worth and then looking crazy and everything. You want to look good. So the shirt I'm wearing right now, I would say it's kind of loud, but like I said, put a jacket over it or have some pants that are like anything neutral color, and like I said, it kind of balances out the outfit and it won't make it look too much. Alright, that pretty much sums up my video. If there's any questions on like, you know, more fashion tips and everything like that, or anything you want to correct on me with, just leave a comment down below. Also, drop a like on this video if you like these kind of types of tutorials or lookbook thingies that I be doing. So I kind of like doing this because there's a lot of people in my area that kind of dress almost the same, but also it's versatile at the same time. So it's not too much and I kind of like it and it inspires me. And also subscribe to me for more content like this, or even like more on feet videos and stuff like that. I'm in and out of like doing teamwork and then doing just my videos, so yeah. And then ring the bell and you will be notified if I do come out with a new video or some updates in the future, so on and so forth. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
My grandpa told me let them see you see one. Yeah, these hills got some mind, but he wants some. Yeah, that I mean, cause they can't clock you in the time.